Hi, guess what? It's Judd. Okay, so the pool is up. The pool is up and being filled through my probably dead water filter. This is a trick I'm going to get. I'm going to get some elastic bands so I can wrap some cloths around that to help absorb the iron particles that are coming in right now. You can already see the water is getting tinted, and I'll have to filter that all out. What you can also see is that my calculations were off, or the measurements were off, and I've got nothing under here. I want support right up to that point where the seam is. So I'm going to have to do some backfilling, but I want to get enough water to hold this in place when I backfill. So I'm not going to fill it at this point. I'm going to fill it to that line and then take it from there. Now you can also see I'm not anywhere near to the bottom line yet, and I am ankle deep. I figure I'll get an additional foot out of this. It says it's a 30-inch pool, but I'm thinking you can't really fill 30 inches of it. Yeah, it's 30 to the top rim, and you can only go to 26 inches. So 26, 28, 38, so I'll probably end up with 38 inches of depth, roughly. I think I got about an extra foot from my depression. I'm so depressed. So until this water fills up, that's it. And then I got to backfill. Fortunately, I got a nice big pile of dirt over there. That's all the dirt I took out of here. And under that was a big hole, if you remember, that I took out when I was working on the driveway. So that there's actually twice as much dirt there as it appears to be. So I took a lot of dirt out of here. So there we go. Pool is up just in time from not being blown away, because boy, we got some wind gusts the last 24 hours and continuing. We're on the outer edges of that hurricane that's coming in, hitting the East Coast. We're not getting that. We're getting, it's going to come right to us, but it's going to be a tropical storm by the time it gets here. It's been blowing my roof around. And we've been getting some pretty damn good gusts. But the pool is secure because it's now weighted down and framed up and all that stuff, and blah, 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 blah. Happy day to you. Here you can see how that's being pulled in off the support posts. So that's what I've got to take care of with the backfill. Not a big problem, but another job. And also, as to positioning, you can see it's centered on the covered porch, which will be the location of the igloo replacement. So this will be centered on that, and it will get full sunlight until late afternoon. So keep it nice and warm. Sitting down and contemplating helps, because I just had another thought. I've stopped the water now, and I'm looking at this, and the water is up to ground level right now. It just dawned on me, instead of trying to backfill, I can just dig down the posts a little deeper. Take them down about another 4 inches, and that'll settle that edge down where it needs to be. And either way I go, those posts are going to be below ground level, because I'm either going to raise the ground level for the pool liner or lower the posts into the ground. And I think it'd be a simpler job to just lower the posts into the ground. So that's what I think I'm going to do when next I continue on the pool project. Really starting to blow now. I wonder what's happening over on the East Coast. Wow. Because this isn't even going to peak here until Thursday. Well, that's tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow at 1 a.m. or 1 p.m., I forget which, is going to peak out here. So my thoughts go out to my friends on the East Coast. Good luck. Hope it's not too bad. And happy day to you. The Rosetta Stone of the future.